Make shrimp in garlic sauce. If you and the rest of your family love seafood, you must learn how to cook this classic Spanish recipe: shrimp in garlic sauce. The flavor of both the shrimp and the garlic blends well together in this great dish. This is not to mention yet that this recipe is so easy to prepare. Check out this guide for this classic shrimp in garlic sauce recipe. Collect all of the necessary ingredients for this recipe. Prepare these following ingredients: 2 pounds of large shrimps, 1/3 cup of butter, 6 cloves of garlic, 1/3 cup of fresh parsley, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and some salt. This set of ingredients will serve 4 people. Prepare the shrimps for this dish. Peel the shell off the shrimps and devein them afterwards. You can cook the shrimps as is, or you can cut them down in bite-sized pieces, whichever you prefer. Then, get a large pot and add in 4 liters of water in it. Bring it to a boil and add the shrimps. Cook on low heat until the shrimps are already tender. This takes around 9 to 11 minutes. Heat and melt the butter in a skillet. Grab a large skillet and bring it over medium heat. Then, add in 1/3 cup of water into the skillet and wait until the butter already stops foaming. This process can take around 30 up to 45 seconds. Pour in the shrimp and also the garlic. Sauté the shrimps and the garlic in the skillet with the melted butter. Frequently turn the shrimps until such time that the color turns pink. This can take around 4 or 5 minutes. Though you need to keep an eye to the shrimps so they will not be overcooked, you must give equal attention to the garlic, too. Make sure not to burn the garlic in this process, as burnt garlic will greatly affect the flavor of this dish. Add the rest of the ingredients of this dish into the pan. Toss in the parsley, salt, and lemon juice into the pan. Stir all the ingredients very well until all are blended together. Once done, remove the skillet from the heat and then move it into a good serving plate. Serve the shrimp in garlic sauce immediately. It is best to consume this dish immediately after cooking for best flavor and taste. If there are leftovers, heat them in the microwave before you serve them. Add some vegetables in this dish if you prefer. If you want more flavor and texture in your shrimp and garlic sauce, you can add 2 different kinds of vegetables in the dish. The 2 best vegetables for this recipe are baby corn and carrots. However, you can substitute these vegetables with any 2 vegetables that you love. Cook these vegetables at the same time you add the shrimps and the garlic in the skillet. However, in terms of vegetables, which take a longer time to cook, add them prior to tossing in the shrimps. Shrimp alone is a great treat in the table. However, you can increase its flavor, appeal, and taste by simply adding in some garlic sauce with the dish. Since this is something easy to prepare, you can always squeeze cooking this recipe even in your busiest schedule. In fact, preparing this dish will take you only 30 minutes or even less. Enjoy!